you may be wondering why the beans are now down the garden rather than on the patio. I've still got some of the original plants on the patio, and what happened was that we had some really hot weather for quite a long spell, and the plants were getting attacked by black fly quite badly, and unfortunately there were no ladybird larvae to munch them, so the plants were really struggling. So I thought if I do some pots down the garden where it's a bit more sheltered and a bit more shady, they're not quite into so much direct sunlight, they might do a bit better. So that's why I've done a second batch. And although those ones on the patio were struggling for a while, I nearly gave up on them, but I decided just persevere and see what happened. In actual fact, the ones on the patio have done okay, and I've got beans from them, so it's always worth persevering. And if you need to move them around, that's the beauty. They're in the pots and you've got space in your garden. You can move them around to a better location where they're not going to be in too much direct hot baking sun and they're out of the wind. Some of these plants I've had to stake slightly because we've also had some really strong winds just over the last few weeks, so I've had to stake them down to stop them from toppling over. But just to say, don't give up, keep battling on, and hopefully you'll get lovely results on your plants.